For our final lesson today, let's simulate the scenario where we crash the dock, or it gets deleted or broken otherwise. We create a copy of the teacher's dock and we go as far as delete the original dock. And let me try demonstrate you how do we relink all things to the copy of teachers. So whenever you create a copy of a doc, usually the row IDs, the column IDs, view IDs are preserved, and table IDs, they all are preserved. All that changed is the doc ID, which is, well, the doc ID is new, everything else is preserved. You can now see that the int teachers from the original doc won't load, it crashes, failed to fetch, should read a nicer message there, but this is usually an indication that when you cannot read something from that link, this means this link does not exist anymore. So what shall you do? This was a drop down, but this you can go completely into the show formula mode and edit this identifier, the doc ID / table ID, manually. So all you have to do is take the old doc ID and replace it with the new doc ID. And try syncing the table, and the table is salvaged. It now loaded from the new source. And everything else stays the same, and you do the same here in the int teachers. This won't load, right? But you can go into the manual mode, replace the source, and everything loads once again. So let's just try this. Once again, let's change maybe Austria to also the USA for Daniel. Copy the flag over and see if this propagates properly. Here you go. Here you go. The system is salvaged. And that concludes our basic training for ThinkTables Pro Pack. I keep looking at the whiteboard because I keep calling it CrossDoc Plus, the name I used for the best of this month, or the last month that I've been building it. Next features are coming very, very soon. I have a birthday soon, so I'll probably party a little, as much as it's possible during the war. And after that, I'll keep building this pack. So happy using. Please enjoy the free trial. Please upgrade. Please use it in your docs. I'll be very happy if you do. Cheers.